Hi guys, welcome to the stage Gap with Anis. What's the role and finish the story. Right now I will bring the special guest from student of English Language Education Study Program. Arin, welcome Arin.
Hi everyone, my name is Fajarina Ayin Handayani. I'm student of English Language Education Study Program of Atmadalan University. Hi everyone.
Yeah, welcome everyone. And today is very special episode because we are joined the star of the play Catharsis. We just finished its run at the Society Militaire. And first of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
You look exhausted, but you look happy. And how is the feeling after after playing the Theater of Catharsis?
Okay, thank you so much, Anissa. You hit the nail on the head. Yes, it's true. I'm very exhausted, happy, but it's that feeling after you give 100% your soul on stage. Performing at Sociedad Militer was a dream. The building has so much history for me, and the atmosphere also is just different. It's happy but inspiring too. Of course.
Yeah, the building has so much history, and I see the architecture of the building is so much beautiful.
Yes.
It's fully white, right?
Yeah.
And
The architecture, it's from New Zealand,
oh,
the
wow,
90s
that's
era.
Oh yes, yes. Yeah, it's very like vintage.
Yeah, vintage.
Yeah, like all this building. So next, let's talk about the title Catharsis. I think it's a strong word, but I want to know what does it mean for you for this production.
Okay, for the production for us, it was about emotional release. The story of Catharsis deals with some heavy themes, like real realist story.
Oh, story.
And we want the audience to leave the theater feeling clean or renewed, even for the actors. The process of practicing vessel from of catharsis, we let out our stress, our tears, and our laughter into this play.
Oh, so you through ups and down for this
The
theater.
feeling mood is so not sustainable.
Before the play, the theater, you've been through that ups and down, like let your stress, your tears, and your laughter. That's interesting. Okay, and I heard you were very nervous before the show. And how did you handle that anxiety?
Yes, that's true. Actually, I have first anxiety before I show the performance, obviously. So to handle my nervous anxiety, firstly I trust myself to I can do this performance, and I everything I trust to what I learned from practicing after a whole month. After a 3 months, I learn and practice the theater, producing practice.
Yes.
And first of all, I push hard and I work hard to on the stage. I trust everything on the stage.
Oh, so we can conclude that the tips from Arin, you can handle the anxiety by practicing.
Practice ini producing apa sih
Terus menerus.
intensif practice.
By practicing more and more, and you have to trust yourself. So you don't will get nervous before perform the play. So we can next to second segment. I want to talk about like behind the scenes and the struggle from Arin. I think no great show comes without drama behind the scenes. So Aryan tells us about the ups and downs or the suka duka before you perform the play of Catharsis. What was the hardest part of the journey?
Yeah, actually, we have hardest part of the journey. The hardest part was definitely the long rehearsals. There were days when we stayed until midnight or even 1 a.m. perfecting just one scene. We were tired, of course, our body ached, and some we had creative difference. Yeah, for me it's normal to have small arguments, small, that's not
Struggle.
yeah, that struggle, not
Yeah.
talk,
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
not yeah.
Like don't make it with
And of
each
course,
other.
from the practicing, we have some bad mood, yeah.
Yeah, right,
Mood
right.
is not
Yeah.
sustainable,
Like mood
guys.
swing because we are all tired.
So the tips is keeping the mood sustainable and be kind for the others.
So yeah, it's normal to have argument, to have struggle. But I want to know, how did you solve these conflicts and how did you keep the team together?
We always went back to our why we remind ourselves that in the theater PBI we are a family, we had sharing circles, sharing like the cutting, filling. That's not in theater. There's no apa ya tingkatan
Level?
yeah, there's no
Oh, there's no seniority.
yeah, there's no seniority. We are a family
Right.
in that group.
Yeah. Yeah, I see that Theater PBI is like a family. Like they have a bonding, they solid, they are solid and they like melihat see each other like a family, not like a junior and senior.
Yeah.
And because I was the part of the Theater PBI, so I understand what the Arin means about the solidarity of the Theater PBI.
That guys, Theater PBI is famous of the solidarity.
Yes.
That's the older LSO, yeah.
Yeah, right.
Very cool talk about anything, not just the play, but our personal lives, but sharing together. That bond is what save the performance. When we trust each other, the obstacle feels smaller.
Yeah, right. Out of the play, out of the performance, in the best camp or the room that often the Theater PBI
Part of the
member. Yeah, part of the Theater PBI member. We always sharing the like apa ya, tahun 8 tahun. Like our struggle. Yeah. So we can sharing, we can give the solution.
Yeah, that's the solidarity means.
Karena gua
You know what?
nganggur lagi, nganggur.
Oh iya deh.
Karena gua ini aja. Apa sih itu?
Oh iya sih. Terima ya.
Yeah, chemistry. So it means a chemistry.
Kau kelahiran tahun
Theater
berapa?
PBI.
Nah, itu 2005 gitu.
Relate.
Iya.
Iya, gitu.
Menghubungkan invite.
Artinya 2005.
Hubungan antara anggota
Tiga.
to connect.
To connecting our chemistry member.
Kayaknya
to
2006
each
ya.
member.
2002.
Yeah, yeah, I know. I understand what you mean. And
Tahun. Iya ya, gue umur berapa tahun ya?
yeah,
Tapi sekarang pas umur 6 tahun.
I haven't asked you
Adiknya
about what your role. What your role at the catharsis? Yeah,
My role to play the
yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Bohong, lu jangan ngarang. Tapi dia nggak.
Serius
I
tanya.
Dia nggak mau.
play a role
Kemarin katanya
Play,
mau usaha.
As who? As who?
as a worker.
Terus
Then so
kata-
worker it means you know like a witch, like
Pokoknya kemarin mamaku lah.
someone that's scared sharing part someone who have really less faith
Nggak tahu tapi ya
less
itu aku juga nggak usah lah.
in
Like they don't
Actually,
have
like-
a feeling.
yeah in word in our word there's
Tahu
someone
sampai
who
ngasih nomor
leader who's never
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. The leader. Oh, Seda. You mean Seda?
yeah I know the leader
Yeah.
you know siapa sih mas pemimpin
Oh, stage manager or presidency as the president.
presidency and
Yeah.
then siapa sih
Itu berarti nggak ada tanggung
No,
jawab.
as the
orang udah selama itu
three main characters.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
the main characters is to get punishment who
Yeah.
the leader who is never never
Tuntut aja lah gitu.
because of
Tuntut
their
berapa sih?
member kasih pertanyaan
Udah juga sih.
kasih pertanyaan.
was
Give a question.
really lying the
buat tuntut
citizen.
dulu maksudnya
What is that?
Because of their sin, so they got the punishment.
You know, like a devil. I'm
Yeah,
like a devil of that.
from Aryan. So basically Aryan
Aku
is
nggak tahu
one
bapak
of
aku
the
gimana itu ngapain ngasih pertanyaan apa itu aja.
at the play because catharsis is basically a play that have theme like surrealist and like a horror. They got horror atmosphere.
Kamu di anchor nggak
Yeah.
sih?
And
Tapi gue masih gila bapak lu ya.
bentar. So Aryan, I want to ask you what the sequences activities you have been through before the day you play the catharsis.
And the sequence of all the activities for the whole month. I have several sequences to the practices before preparing the performance, preparing the shows. So first of all is we stretching our bodies.
Yo, stretching.
Yeah, stretching our bodies for several minutes, and then we doing the vocal practicing, and the next we doing skills practicing, and the lastly we doing
Like activity called blocking.
no, we preparing all of the bodies, all of the voice, all of the stretching, and the next we first of all we doing breathing practicing, and if the sutradara, if the apa sih sutradara tuh? director accept all of the actors that's good to the breathing, and the next we move to blocking session, and if the director accept all of the blocking session, and we next to the run through, and like ready bersih, and the next rehearsal, and the day we stress all of the practicing.
Also in theater, before we play the performance, we have to through the three session, like reading, blocking, and run through. And for the very last before the performance, we perform our play.
Yeah.
I got it last night. No. The last perform before the day.
Yeah.
It's called Gladiator.
The last practicing, you know.
Yeah. And out of the 3 session, we have to practicing our vocal, our body and our feeling.
Yes.
And I was the part of them, so it's kind of funny. We have to mimicking expression.
I can handle it myself.
Yeah.
Actually.
And the coach of the practicing is buat kita menyuruh kita.
Yeah, push us so hard.
Gue mau ganti
Malu ya.
So like so the coach let us to showing our expression, our feeling, and I remember that when we practice the play, we have to like pretending or mimicking someone or even animal. You know animal. We have to pretending to mimicking animal. Like
That's a funny story.
that was hilarious. Yeah.
udah ngecas kalian dong.
I agree with you that especially we have to pretend our face, our feels to be a horse, like you know, to be a horse.
Of course.
Really
Lu nggak tahu saya
funny, ya.
Gue juga
It's funny and
I can handle it my feel. I can handle it my thing, my thought to how to be pretending a horse in the lapangan,
in the hall.
in the hall. We like a crazy people.
Yeah. We even lie down in the floor. Yeah. We even lie down in the floor and we pretending to be a horse, to be a bee.
Yeah,
a bee.
to be people who is craving a poor man, a poor people.
But that was on purpose.
Yeah.
On purpose, so that we can in character, we can feeling that our character, so we can pull it out the character. Yeah.
And the stressful part for me,
Yeah.
I have a stressful part of the all of the hormones.
What is
Like,
that?
I keep I take a two division. The first one is wardrobe and the one is actors. And for me, it's really a hardest part of handle it the second division, especially when I prepare all of the performance to prepare the show. I can focus on myself. I really hectic day. Full hectic day.
Because you handle two division.
Yeah. And selama
during the practice.
I have obstacle to time management.
Why you have
Cause it's really so much activities for me to handle it. What kind of assignment
from the college, right?
assignment college, and then practicing, and then the second one is division. It's really hard for me to handle it the time.
So Arin is have struggled to handling the time management.
Yeah.
Before.
before
that, yeah.
Ini hari itu kita
But I
kumpulin
see
ya.
you
Oh malah
have,
belain dia.
I see you right now can handle all of the your activity because you are
nggak apa-apa.
the part of the pub, right? You are the
Yeah.
we can say Arin is a mentor of pub. Pub
Yeah,
is
the assist.
what is pub? What is pub?
Oh,
You can share with us.
Okay, about this organization is called Peer Assist Learning Program. That's no LSO, you guys.
Nah, dia orang mana?
That's yeah. We basically mentoring the junior
Masakin nasi.
student.
Yeah, junior student.
One
Yeah.
first semester student, and for me it's not that hard. It's not that hard than
Salam,
theater,
FB Pro.
and I feel I have a space to management my all of the time, all of the activities I can handle, and I learn to
Pokoknya kalau punya job pasti
more handle
suruh
it.
masakin lah.
All of the activities.
So Arin is not only the part of the theater PBI. She also joined the pop program from. So I want to know your tips for handling the several organization, the several like program, even the academic, pop, and theater. How you manage the time for all of them?
For me, the time management is really important to me to handle my good mood, to handle our activities life. For me, the tips of time management is firstly I make a to-do list what I be able to do the all activities from I wake up and then until I asleep again. So firstly I make a list what is assignment college first, all of the assignment first, and I doing a work assignment. What the deadline is really close to me, and the second I get a priority to
Dia yang ngobrol.
the
Kenapa tanganmu ke
organization.
aku?
Firstly, because I have two priority organization. Sometimes the schedule meeting, I get a schedule meeting. Sometimes the two organization have a schedules meetings
At the same time.
at the same time. And then what can I handle it? Firstly,
Dia yang ngobrol.
Firstly, I will be able to attend the what's the organization? What's the event?
What's the closest event?
Yeah, what's the closest event to me
at the
And then,
time?
Yeah, especially for theater, yeah, because I handled the two division, firstly wardrobe and then actors. So I showing the follow up to attend the meeting, and for all meeting I take a permission I take a permission for buat siapa? I take a permission aku minta izin sama I take a
Sama siapa?
gimana bilangnya Cok?
Two siapa?
I take a permission to the leader of their assisted learning program. I chatting Sister Hannah to get the permission.
That you won't be able
I'm so
to
sorry. I
attending the
won't be
meetings.
able to the meetings because I have the others priority that I have the responsible to doing the performance.
So tips from Arin, we have to have a to-do list, and we have to put the priority for the classes event when we have when we have like two or several organizations that we handle it. So, hmm, we can take a break time.
Okay.
Yeah, you can have your drink.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, because
It's
we
for
are
me.
talking for
Thank you.
a long time. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, feel free to have a sip. Yeah, we've been listening the opinion from Arin about the theater and how the ups and downs that Arin felt during the practice before the performance. And we back to the topic about the play of Catharsis. Did any of your lecturers actually come to see the show? Yeah, did any lecture of your lecture
Oh,
that actually come the show
Okay.
the performance?
Yes. Yeah, yes. I was so surprised to see my lecturer sitting in the audience seat and also seated military. But intimidating at first, but it also made me proud. And of course, my parents come into the associated military.
Wow.
That's always support me. Thank you, mom, and that's make me make me handle my nervous anxiety when I see my parents come to into the performance. And they saw me not just a student in a class but as an artist, and it felt like they really respect my passion outside of academics. There's all of the lectures and also my parents, my sister, it's really supporting me, and also my friends, um, my classmates, it's really supporting me to advance my performance.
So Arin is supported by their family, even their lecturer, because they lecture see Arin is not only student.
It's not just
It's
Arin,
not
but
just a
it's
student,
like a devil.
but
And I
as
hope
an artist.
I hope my lecturer got a surprise what I interpret to perform.
Because of your makeup or
Yeah, my makeup, my body, my like
your wardrobe, your
yeah,
outfit,
my gerak-gerak,
your
my
gesture, your moving.
gestures,
Yeah. And how do you pay back that support? I assume you still have to be a good student, right?
yeah, exactly that. Like,
You have like dispensasi because the like the day of the play is in like it's in college day.
college day. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a dispensasi, especially the course at Advanced Grammar School course. Sorry, I mentioned it because the dispensasi is not that hard. I just realism one of my POV to my POV during the theater performance, during the all of the practice, all of my film to be a part of the theater PPI. Yeah, and I I make a short essay, like 15 words, 50 words, 100 words, a small word that interprets what I felt into the first performance, production performance.
Wow. So that's from POV of Aryan. about the impression, the feel,
Yeah.
the feels of the when
And like you know, guys,
she
that,
performed the play.
perform production. This is the very first time that I attend. I like you know that I play the character of the play character, especially on stage Societat Militer. That
It's
was
your
very
time.
first time to be an actor, especially in performance production performance.
So it's like a special experience,
Yeah,
like
special
so because we have been to the interview for a long time. It's been 30 minutes. I want to ask you to give like one last message for our listener, especially students who are afraid to chase their hobbies.
Chance the habits.
No. Especially students who are afraid to chase their hobbies.
The habits.
Hobbies.
Hobbies. Oh,
Yeah,
the
their
hobbies.
hobbies.
Okay. For me, I'm not that have a lot of values to deliver our our moral, our value to you guys.
Our message.
Yeah, our message. Oh, ntar kamu potong terus. So, yeah, for you guys to wanna be take a risk, some different hobbies, different activities, and different experience. For me, you don't to be afraid to take the different hobbies, to take a risk. Don't be afraid. Then there was some fun. It was some fun to take different hobbies, and for me, different hobbies make me improve myself, improve ourselves to your skills. Yeah, improve my skill to be being confident and being change personality, change my lazy personality, lazy habits, bad habits. It's really changed to our lazy habits before it because our busy session and that our busy session make me realize myself, make me evaluate myself after and after, evaluate more and more, and being improve myself to be better.
Wow, what a perfect note to end on. So don't be afraid to take a new hobbies or new experience because it can be improve your skills,
Yeah,
your
soft skill
confidence.
especially.
Yeah, your confidence. Thank you so much for sharing your journey, Ari.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you for sharing the journey with us. And don't
Thank you
be
to invite me.
yeah. Thank you. And to everyone who has listening this, go support local theater,
Yeah.
Theater PBI, and we will see you in the next episode. Thank you. Can you speak my slogan?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What is the slogan?
The slogan is unmask the role and finish the story.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, we're closing the stage gap. It ends. Unmask the role and finish the story.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Thank you. That's for me as a host, Anissa Askia, and Arin as a guest star at this episode. Thank you for listening our talk show, and see you in the next episode.
Bye.